guys, Marshmallow Caesar po at your service. Nandito naman tayo not just to review but to compare to the existing soundbars that I currently have now na nasa harap ninyo. The DEVANT SB50 and the SEMBRANDT SB500 soundbars, which both are 2.0 channel and Bluetooth capable. Before we proceed with the sound test, let's check each soundbar's specifications. Fact check. What's the difference between a soundbar versus typical speakers? First, what's a soundbar? A soundbar is a convenient audio solution without the overall cost of an expensive and fully immersive home theater setup. What makes soundbars convenient is that they are typically compact and sit right in front, under, or mounted above the TV. Not having to rely on a receiver, soundbars are self-contained, which makes moving them from one place to another easy. Then, what are traditional speakers? This audio solution has separate components for increased sound quality. With separate speakers and an amplifier and receiver, you will typically get better surround sound effects than a soundbar. Furthermore, the setup can be customizable for any space. So, what's the difference between a soundbar and speakers? Soundbars are much easier to install than surround sound speakers, and they are usually much cheaper too. However, surround sound speakers usually have better audio quality and they give you more options, as well as the ability to upgrade your sound system over time. What's inside the box? Let's proceed with the unboxing video, but what I only have is the DEVANT SB50 na freebie ng DEVANT Smart TV. It's been years that I've been using the SEMBRANDT SB500 na nabili ko before. Review time! Let's check first the design ng dalawang soundbars. The DEVANT SB50, the speakers or drivers are facing upwards while the SEMBRANDT SB500 are directly facing towards us. Kaya during the sound test, I did the recording using a stand with my camera phone. Ginamitan ko ito ng buoyang microphone na naka 45 degrees setup yung angle nito. The dimension naman, mas mahaba at malapad ang DEVANT SB50 while the SEMBRANDT SB500 mas mataas naman ito. Regarding the weight, mas mabigat naman ang DEVANT SB50. Now, let's proceed sa sound check ng dalawa, which I recorded it twice per soundbar with different volumes. The volume at first was set to the actual warning threshold, could be around 65%, which the recommended maximum volume because if we go beyond that, it's not recommended at baka mabingi na daw tayo. Then lastly, 80% naman using different music with copyright from KineMaster, even the first one that we used as well. Now, here's the actual recording, and I would recommend to use a headphone or earphones to clearly distinguish the differences from the quality of the sound, bass, loudness, etc. Enjoy!
You show up first, you're staring at me like I can do something for you. You lick your lips, you think you're slick. You stalk like I'm a piece of me. show up first, you're staring at me like I can do something for you. You lick your lips, you think you're slick. You stalk like I'm a piece of meat. You're trying out and showing off. So flash.
도도한 두 눈에 매력적인 입술 네가 내게 말을 걸 때마다 내 기분은 higher 가왔어 desire 내 심장은 paradise Beautiful girl can't you see 다들 너를 질투해 걱정 마 girl can't you see 내 눈엔 늘 완벽해 Won't you call me when you get this Yeah 못나도 내겐 있어 Yeah 뭘 해도 내겐 있어 Yeah 못나도 내겐 있어 Yeah 뭘 해도 내겐 있어 Yeah
Yeah. 네가 한숨을 쉬고 있는 모습 보면 절대 걱정하지 않아 너의 건강 이건 사랑 같은 시시한
Won't you call me when you get this?
도도한 두 눈에 매력적인 입술 네가 내게 말을 걸 때마다 내 기분은 higher 가왔어 desire 내 심장은 paradise Beautiful girl can't you see 다들 너를 질투해 걱정 마 girl can't you see 내 눈엔 늘 완벽해 Won't you call me when you get this Yeah 못나도 내겐 있어 Yeah 뭘 해도 내겐 있어 Yeah 못나도 내겐 있어 Yeah 뭘 해도 내겐 있어 Yeah
Yeah. 네가 한숨을 쉬고 있는 모습 보면
Now, anong masabi ko sa dalawa and which is much better based sa experience ko na din? Based dun sa sound check, mas malakas or has a louder sound ang SEMBRANDT SB500. But with the quality of sound, panalo naman ang DEVANT SB50 which is much crispier. It doesn't mean na mas malakas or louder, okay na agad ang quality ng sound. Dahil sa design or positioning ng speakers, I decided where to put the soundbars. So yung DEVANT SB50, I place it sa kwarto namin sa ibabaw ng headboard ng bed. Maganda yung upward speaker positioning niya dahil hindi masakit sa tenga at dahil okay din ang quality ng sound niya. At dahil nasa loob ng kwarto, nagiging mas buo ang tunog nito. While the SEMBRANDT SB500, Nilagay ko naman sa sala which nasa ibabaw na bagay naman na paharap yung speakers nito at mas malakas or louder ang sound na bagay sa malawak na area naman. So tama yung sabi sa research na nabasa ko na depende sa design at saan mo ito ilalagay ang soundbars. By the way, I only have concerns sa SEMBRANDT SB500 ko. Kapag matagal mo na itong ginamit, siguro umiinit siya. Minsan humihina ang sound for some reason. I tested it using both the audio jack and Bluetooth. Kapag nagtatagal na siya, nagluluko yung sound na humihina ito. Hindi naman siya tuloy-tuloy humihina, pero nakakainis dahil hihina siya bigla, tapos lalakas. Just an FYI as well, marami na itong mga bagong version, ang soundbars ng SEMBRANDT at ang latest na pagkakalam ko ay ang SB750. Meron din yung may kasama external subwoofer, ang HT3000. Would I recommend both brands? What I can say is yes. I got the DEVANT SB50 as a freebie but not just an ordinary freebie para sa akin. It is a quality soundbar na if bibilin daw separately as per the seller, medyo mahal siya. Pero dahil naging freebie ito, mas maraming nagbebenta nito na separately online which the price dropped even 50%. While the SEMBRANDT SB500, I would recommend to buy the latest version which could have a better quality, and this is one of the budget type soundbar out there. Price check. I checked online and found a lot of offers for DEVANT SB50. The price range na nakita ko ay from 2,500 to 3,500. Please check if they have good reviews as always. While the SEMBRANDT SB500, wala na ako makita na ganito. Could be obsolete na. So just check the SB750 and HT3000 online. Now, for the teaser video, ito ay ang Tenda MW6 Nova 2-pack whole home mesh Wi-Fi system. Okay, dyan na naman nagtatapos yung review and comparison ng DEVANT SB50 and SEMBRANDT SB500 2.0 channel soundbars. Sana may natutunan kayo ulit sa review na ito. Furthermore, meron akong nakitang budget soundbars din nakita ko sa mga big stores which yung mga brands na feature ko na din dito. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification button para updated kayo sa next videos namin. Ako po pala ulit sa Marshmallow Caesar. Thanks for watching guys, goodbye, and please be safe as always.